Hello everyone, welcome to the Ducklberry kitchen. Today we're making baby duck cookies. What is it? Okay, listen. It says spring chick, but let's just erase the chick, call it spring duckles. Spring duckle, lemon cookie, orange frosting, 12, feeds the family, feeds the whole family. So here we go, we're gonna start unboxing these duckle cookies. By the way, we're starting a new little challenge. It's called Find the Baby Duckler. So pretty much what you're gonna do is every video the baby duckler will be hidden. If you find the baby duckler, comment below where the baby duckler is. Alright, so he's somewhere in this room. You find the baby duckler, we got it. Alright, what do we got here? Grease, 2 cookie sheets. Alright, grease them. Where's the pan? Pan! This is how you grease a pan, okay? I'm gonna show you here. You go, little spray, you know, little spray. Grab a paper towel right here. Just lightly rub it all over the pan. Now listen, I'm professional. So anything you see on this show, it's right. It's the right way to do it. Don't do it any other way, because no other way is gonna work, is what I'm trying to tell you. Combine cookie mix, room temperature, butter, water, and contents of yellow pouch mix. What do you mean? Where's the measurements? Oh, is this a tablespoon? Is this a tablespoon? Hopefully. That looks about 3, huh? Got a mixing bowl. We got. Oh! She exploded on me. Ooh, lemony baby, that's smelly. Alright, so what we're doing right now is emptying the duck powder, putting butter in. You know what they always say, you know what Martha Stewart says, the more butter, it's not going to make it worse. That's what, and I got my shirt dirty. You know what, that's okay. You know why that's okay? Because it's all in the name of learning. 3 tablespoons of water. I think I should have been friggin' measuring this. I think I'm messing up royally. So we got a slight problem. This is what's considered a tablespoon. And I was using something about a third of the size. Take the butter back out. Don't tell anyone. I'm not doing too hot here. Tablespoons of butter and 1 more for the road. 1 more butter for the road, baby. You know what they say in the country club? We're gonna pry the butter out, but it is stuck in there because we put too much in. Oh yeah. It's 4 tablespoons of butter. What are you? How much butter do you want, Martha? Alright, we got the water in there. Now, this is where the tricky part comes in. Oh, that smells Gucci. I'm telling you something's wrong. My butter's not melted enough. This is a big problem. Listen, this is a problem because the contents aren't mixing. I should have put this in the machine, boys. Uh-oh. Get in there. You add a little water. This fixes everything. I don't even know what hard work is, because until you've mixed powdered duck, butter, and water, you don't know what hard work is. Find the duckler, baby duckler. If you have spotted him, I hope you guys have commented about it. If you just spotted him now, comment. If you commented that the baby duckler is on the windowsill, you'd be wrong, and I'll tell you why. Because the baby duckler is really in the sink. So, if you commented that he's up here, you're wrong, you're dumb, you're stupid. It was in the sink the whole time, dummy head. Woo, zooey mama, look at that. Woo, looks like a minion. Oh, these are minions. I'm making them into minions. I'll make a couple ducks, okay? Listen. But sometimes you gotta go ham on the minion. Everyday minion all day. Everyone, so the cookies are now done. Here we have it, the finished duck cookie. Hope you like it. I'm just going to give it a taste test for everyone. I feel like I missed a step. It appears I missed a part on the box that said roll the dough and cook it. Divide dough into thirds. What do you mean? How do you expect me to do that? What do you mean thirds? There's only 2 parts to the duck. Dough and we split it up into duck heads and bodies. Another duck head. Duck head, duck head. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use the last mix to make a minion, which they look like this. Here's what a minion looks like. And even with the stickiness, I still somehow managed to make perfect cookies with it. 1 Mega Minion, 3 Buckle Boys. We're gonna pop them in the oven at 350.
Zooey mama, that's a spicy oven, baby.
Now we're doing a 15-minute timer because these chicks we made are massive. Duckle babies, we got more like Duckle seniors, you know what I'm saying? We got these big boy ducks. I paid for 12 Duckle babies, and you know what I got? I got 3 Duckle babies and a Minion. That's a problem for me. I'm gonna be filing a Yelp complaint. Look out for that. What's your company in the mix? You watch out because it's coming for you. And what is this? Yo, what is this? What do you mean yellow color powder? What do you mean I was supposed to put this in the god? This, we can still save this. I'm so, oh my god. Give me the oven, baby. Holy shit. Oh, the cookies! I didn't put the yellow powder on them. I forgot to put the yellow powder on our cooks. Well, it's supposed to mix in, but we don't have time. We have to just add it on top. Minion, come on, you're gonna be okay, buddy. I almost just grabbed that. Alright, I'm putting them back in the oven now for the remaining 13.5 minutes. Where I went wrong was I didn't know there was, I completely forgot that pack existed. And you know what everyone looks forward to. Who's the lucky little kid who gets to lick the spoon? Guess what, it's me. For the meme, I would for the meme, but I've already tried it twice and now I'm just done. Powder shows no signs of smoking or catching fire, and that's good news for me. You know what Chef Bobby Flay always says? If you're baking a cookie and the flames be burning, listen here, boy, because that's no good. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna pour myself a nice glass of insert drink here. And there's a raccoon and I can't enjoy my drink. This little smelt the cookies coming. Alright, so I got my drink, which is right here. You know, my favorite drink. Not sponsored by insert drink name here. I'm just gonna have a nice little sip. Ooh yeah, some good drink. That's a good drink that I love. And you guys all like it too, I bet. Oh god. Oh dear. The cookies may have expanded a little more than I anticipated. So if you're looking to lure any ducks and give them a little pat on the head, pet on the tuchus, you know what I'm saying? Because if you want to just pet a duck and have a nice hands-on encounter with one, lure them using my duck cookies because they will come running. And they will try to eat your cookies, you know why? Because they love eating duck. It's natural, they love eating their fellow brothers and whatnot. So, but if you really want it, it'll be worth it, trust me. The duck you start petting the duck, he'll start purring. Sometimes they might meow if you hit them, somebody you don't like them. So you gotta be careful about that. They like the head, they like the tail feathers, don't go on the belly, alright? Because that'll cause them hissing. You don't like a hissing duck, I'll tell you that much. I'm gonna tell you right now, these cookies are looking like complete garbage. Scratch that. Cookies are looking amazing. They're looking fantastic. It would appear that we do have to cut off the tip. Oh, mama! Woo! Alright, freshly baked cookies, anybody? Freshly baked cookies are ready to enjoy. He's a happy minion, clearly. He's one of the one-eyed minions, so it's either Bob, Stuart, Kevin, James, or insert other minion name here. Here we go. Fill his mouth. He's full of icing in there, because he's been eating all the other ducks. He's the biggest cannibal, he goes after him. There's blood off this guy. This guy's bleeding out. The minion's untouched. The minion's happy. He's just a bystander. There's some guts falling out. That's some guts. And they are hard now. They are not soft at all anymore. Yep. Put them on our plate. Minion, my favorite. Off really well. He actually came out the best. his leg! There we have a plate of delicious baby duckles and one very happy minion. First, let's try a little bit of minion. You know what? There's a problem here. The problem is that these cookies actually taste decent. The reason they're so good is because I'm a professional. And any of you trying to make cookies like this, it ain't gonna happen. That minion is good! Okay. That's enough cookie for me today. I would rate the Ducklberry cookie box set as a 9 out of 10 stars. The reason I'm giving this such a good review is because even someone like me, who made this so poorly, still made a cookie somehow that tasted halfway decent. And that scares me. It's scary that I actually don't mind eating this. I'm just an amazing chef. 9 out of 10 on the Ducklberry starter set cookie extravaganza. Overall, complete success in the Ducklberry kitchen today. We made Ducklberry cookies in a big old minion boy. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments the next food challenge, anything I should make. If you got something I want to make, you tell me, I'll make it. Thank you so much for watching. Ducklberry thanks you as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Stay quacking, Duckle Gang. Stay quacking, my Duckle Gang. Stay quacking, Duckle Gang.